Hello, folks. How are you today? Actually, I was going out, but I said before I go out, let me do a beautiful, short, lovely video. It's about memory units. Lesson number 4. It's about memory units. It's lesson from the series Foundation Level 1. So our lesson today is about memory units. What is memory units? As you see in the screen, we have a bit and 8 bits together, it's give me 1 byte. And the bits or the byte, what we store in the byte, we store text document. Okay, and we have something called kilobyte. Kilobyte, usually we store on it image and songs. And we have megabyte. Everybody knows megabyte, but megabyte, yeah, stored movies, but old quality, like low quality movies, not like high quality movies nowadays. It's used gigabyte already because you have 4K and 8K and etc. etc. So, and we have something called gigabyte. Everybody knows gigabyte. Also, we store on it movies and games and so on. We have terabyte. Everybody know what is terabyte. It's large storage HDD. There are more. Yes, there are more. And for that reason, I do this video and this lesson, because there is more of memory units. One of them, or the first one, it's petabyte. Petabyte, usually Facebook servers use it. Meta company, Facebook company, or Meta company nowadays, they use petabyte. So Facebook servers using petabyte. And we have something called exabyte. Exabyte, it's amount, they say amount of data transfer over internet. It's exabyte, like all data that transferred over internet, it's exabyte. And we have something called zettabyte. Zettabyte, they say, the scientists and the people that they work in the FANG, it's whole data in the world, just a few zettabytes. And the last thing that we have it's yottabyte. Yottabyte, it's huge, not practical use storage. Um, that was for today, lesson of today. And I see you next lesson, guys. It will be so good and funny, because it's about hexadecimal system. We take binary system now. We should to know, as a developer, you should to know what is hexadecimal system. It's base 16. And see you next lesson, guys. Thank you for watching. Ciao.